Every single month I make anywhere from $50,000 to $100,000 on YouTube without making videos. And I want to show you 3 different ways that you can copy and paste YouTube Shorts to make money even as a complete beginner in 2022. The first method is smart, but it's hard. The second method is not that smart, but it's also a little bit easier. And the third method is really stupid, but it's really easy. So right now, I will walk you through the entire process step by step from the start to the finish. And at the end, I will give you an absolutely free bonus that will allow you to make even more money. So if all of that seems valuable enough, then drop a like down below and let's begin with the step-by-step YouTube automation tutorial. The first out of 3 is going to be this person from India who is making approximately $11,000 all the way to $177,000 every single month. Now you're gonna be able to see that this guy actually is smart, but what he's doing is actually hard. It's actually the hardest option, but if you think about it, like 44 million views every 30 days is definitely not bad, considering that you can actually monetize these in 3 different ways. You can make money from the YouTube Shorts funds, you can make money from ad revenue, you can also make money with affiliate marketing, and you can make money with brand deals by posting on the community tab. So if you scroll a little bit down, you can see that average daily views on this channel are 1.4 million. So over 1.4 million views every single day. And if you go to this channel and you open up any of their videos, you're gonna be able to see that they are not showing their face. So this channel is in the science and experiments niche. So this guy's not a scientist, but he knows a little bit about science and experiments, and he's basically just taking his phone and recording like taking an egg and salt and like just smashing an egg out of an egg. That's the experiment that he's posting, and that's what is leading him to have an estimation on Social Blade that he's making over $11,000 to $177,000 every single month from ad revenue because he is pulling 44 million views. Now I also want to let you know that this is probably not true that he's making that much money, because YouTube Shorts have a really low ad revenue. Like even if you get millions of views, you're still not going to be making that much money from ad revenue. So that's why you should choose 2 of the alternative options, which are once again affiliate marketing and brand deals. Now before we actually talk about that, and before I show you how you can set that up, let's take a closer look at his videos. So this is something that if you want to do, you will need a phone and you would need to record your hands, but you will not have to show your face on a camera. And that's why I said this is the hardest one. The 2 other options that I want to share with you inside of this video require no camera and require no filming and require no making of any videos. But this first option is also really good because it's the smartest way. It's the smartest way that you can do it. You would need to have some basic knowledge of science and doing experiments in order to do this, but it can definitely make you a lot of money on YouTube, and you can stay absolutely anonymous. Like no one really knows who this person is, yet they're making hundreds of thousands of dollars from their home. So once again, you can open up any of these videos. Let's say for example, I'm gonna open up this one. You can watch it and you're gonna be able to see that it's literally just him and his hands and nothing more than that. So he just takes like random items from his household and tries out different experiments, which you can even find online. So what you can simply do is you can just go over to Google and you can search for experiments to try at home, and you can literally find thousands of different simple experiments that you can take at home. And then all you gotta do is grab your phone and then just record that, like record your hands doing that. Like if the experiment was to use some toy from the chocolate bar that you got, then you can just take your phone and record that toy and do whatever the experiment is or whatever you found on Google. And people love watching those videos. Like those videos are actually really engaging, and that's why they have a potential to make hundreds of thousands of dollars. But now, since ad revenue is not gonna make you that much money with this first and the smartest option, what you can simply do once again is go with affiliate marketing. So basically you acquire those views by posting videos where you're not showing your face, you start getting views, the channel starts growing, and then you can use all of those views to promote different affiliate offers in that niche. In this case, that's going to be related to science and experiments. So you can just go over to digistore24.com, which is an affiliate marketplace with thousands of different offers. You can register an account by pressing the Start Now button right over here, so it's absolutely free. Fill out some details about yourself and then log into your brand new account. And then once you log in, you want to go over to the marketplace, and there is one offer that you can promote inside of the Digistore24 for affiliate marketplace that is actually going to get you some decent results. So you can go to the green products and environment protection, which is something that is actually related to like science and experiments, and you can see that this first offer is going to pay you around almost $40 per person that you refer. And if you actually check out the sales page of this offer, you're going to be able to see that this is like some power plant or MIT technology that is going to help people save 65% on electricity. And basically, I think it was like almost $1,000 on electricity that they can save. Let me just pause this. That they can save by using this. Like, let me just show you that. Basically, you can see right over here. So as you can see, it can save them $975 a year on power. And you see it's some kind of like a weird looking scientific tool that people can use in their backyard to save money on electricity. So this would be a great offer to promote in that case, because people watch those videos because they're either creative, they're into science, technology, and all of that, and they watch your like homemade experiments, and then you refer them to an affiliate link like this one, where they can actually purchase something that can save them $1,000 a year in power. And a lot of them are going to be willing to click the link in the description or click the link on the community tab and purchase this, so you can make $40 per person that watches that video. So even though you might not make that much money from the ad revenue, you can still make a lot of money because those videos are going to be seen by millions of people. And as you can see, you don't have to show your face, you just perform simple experiments in front of your phone camera. Like, you don't even need an expensive camera, just grab your phone, record that. You can send people to different affiliate offers and make a lot of money on YouTube by doing this. So this is the first option, and this is the smartest option because it's related to like science and experiments. So let's go to the second option, which is not that smart, but it's a little bit easier than this one. You see, this second guy is making over $430,000 every single month on YouTube without showing his face and without making any videos. 107 million views in the past 30 days, which is actually 57% less. So he was getting even more views every single month. And then Searchable estimates that he's making over $5 million just from ad revenue. Now, we obviously know that that is not the correct number, because you cannot make that much money when it comes to YouTube Shorts, since there are not that many ads showing up on those YouTube Shorts videos. So he's probably making a lot less from ad revenue, but still, with over 107 million views, you can make a lot of money with affiliate marketing and brand deals. I mean, literally companies and brands would be willing to pay tens of thousands of dollars per sponsored video on such a channel, because I do have channels that get like 1 million views per month or 2 million views per month, and we're literally charging thousands of dollars per video on those channels, which is like 100 times smaller channel charging thousands of dollars per video. So you can just imagine how much this person can charge on his videos. And the beauty of this channel is that if you go to their channel basically, and then you go over to their oldest videos, you can see that they started 1 year ago. So they posted their first video 1 year ago, and in less than a single year, they grew from 0 to almost 3 million subscribers. Going from 0 to 3 million subscribers in just 12 months, like, just imagine that. Imagine just half of the year. Imagine right now you don't have any subscribers, and then in the next 6 months you grow to over 1 million subscribers. Like, that would be incredible. Going from 0 to making hundreds of thousands of dollars every single month without even showing his face. Like, you can open up any of the videos on the channel, like even the first one, you can see that this is just a simple gameplay. So he's just showing some Fortnite gameplays that are for like 30 to 40 seconds. He posts that onto his YouTube channel and makes a lot of money by doing that, because a lot of people love watching these types of shorts videos. Now, the easiest way that you can do this is to just download some screen recording app, like for example OBS Project, or literally any other screen recording app. You can just go to Google, search for free recording app. I'm personally using OBS Project because it's like super simple and easy, and it's absolutely free. You see, this is how it's going to look like once you install it by pressing some of these 3 buttons, and then you just open up OBS and you just click on start recording, and it's gonna record your screen. And then what you can simply do is you can just go over to twitch.tv. So this is Twitch, a platform where people are streaming different games, and here we already have like Fortnite, the same game that person is putting on their channel. And you can just open up one of those streams. You can just screen record, like for example, if I open up this stream over here, and I open up my OBS project, which is currently recording, so I can show you how to do it. Basically, I could just record this part, like the vertical part of the video, and then I could just post that on my YouTube channel as a short, and obviously honestly just credit the Twitch streamer, just give their username in the description box or in the title, like credits go to this person, and I would be ready to go. And this person, this streamer, is actually not gonna be mad. You might be thinking like, Dave, they're gonna copyright strike me or whatsoever. They're not. Like, you're growing their brand, and they're gonna be thankful that you are doing that. Like, you're literally helping them get more views and reach a higher audience. So they are gonna be thankful that you are doing that, as long as you're crediting them either in the description or the title of the YouTube Shorts. And that's how you can basically create them and just post them on your channel. Like, you can post as many as you want to and get a lot of views. Like, this also works for other games. That doesn't necessarily need to be Fortnite or Minecraft. Those are the most popular games, but you can also go with some newer ones that not a lot of people are recording, but a lot of people are interested in. Like, maybe even if you hear about that GTA 6 is coming in the future, maybe you can jump on that trend before everyone else starts jumping on that, and then you can take the huge market share and actually make a lot more money than others. But even if it's a saturated game, it's still okay. You can still blow up as a complete beginner, because if you think about it, Fortnite and Minecraft were extremely popular even 5 years ago, and a lot of people thought like, wow, this is like oversaturated, and like it's not possible to grow in this niche. But as you can see, this person grew to 3 million subscribers in a single year. So it's never impossible. You just have to get started and put in the work, and it can definitely pay off. So that was the second option, and that was a medium smart way to copy and paste YouTube Shorts in order to make money without making videos, without recording anything, and without showing face. And that's how this person is making hundreds of thousands of dollars. But now let's get to the easiest way to do this, which is actually a stupid way to copy and paste YouTube Shorts. So let me show you what I mean by that. So you see, the first guy that I was showing you was actually really smart, because he's doing scientific stuff and he's showing some experiments, but it's hard to replicate him because you would actually need to record your hands and do all those different things, but it's still possible. Then the second person that I showed you was doing some gaming and all of that, which is not like that smart, but it's actually also not stupid, and it's actually easier to replicate than the first one. But this last one is a really stupid way to do it, but it's actually the easiest one, and it actually makes pretty decent amount of money. For example, this channel is making over $100,000 a month from ad revenue, and the reason this is true right now, unlike the other ones, is because they're also posting long form content on their channel as well. So they're mixing YouTube Shorts to grow quickly, and then they just post long form content as well, so they can monetize with ads, and they are actually pulling over $100,000 a month in ad revenue, which is over $1 million every single year just from ads alone. And that's also like 38 million views every single month, which they can monetize with affiliate marketing and branded deals. This is the first channel over here. I'm going to show you the niche in a second. The second channel is getting over $3.7 to $59,000 in ad revenue, but in this case, it's not correct. This channel is not making that much money from ad revenue because these guys are only posting YouTube Shorts, and so their ad revenue is probably lower than this. But they're still pulling over 14 million views every single month, and if you think about it, if they just promote an affiliate offer that pays them $10 per commission, like it doesn't necessarily need to be hundreds or thousands of dollars, even if it's just $10 per sale, out of these 14 million people, if they can get just 1,000 of them to purchase that product or service, they would be making over $10,000 every single month. And this is another channel where they are literally just copying and pasting YouTube Shorts. They're not showing their face and they're not filming anything. That channel is literally just reposting other people's TikTok videos. As you can see, they're just giving credit to TikTok creators, and they're just posting their videos, their short videos onto their YouTube Shorts channel, and they're getting millions of views. And the way you monetize this type of channel is not with ads, but you monetize that by posting community posts that are sponsored. So basically, when you grow a channel like this, because it's extremely easy to do it since you're literally just copying and pasting people's videos into your own channel, you can grow that channel pretty rapidly in a matter of like 2 or 3 or 4 months. You start getting a lot of views, and then people are going to be willing to pay you a lot of money for you to post on your community tab. So basically, you can charge hundreds or even thousands of dollars per community post, and this person is posting one post every single day, so they are making a lot of money by doing that. Now, the way that you do this, as I said, it's like extremely easy and simple. This is the easiest option, but once again, it's the stupidest one. Is if you go over to TikTok, search for celebrity, because it's in the celebrity niche, and it's also really good because you're using something and someone who already has an audience around them, and then you are taking advantage of that. For example, a lot of people know Justin Bieber. He has hundreds of millions of fans, so if you post something related to him, chances are that a lot of his fans are going to be interested in that, so you're going to be getting views from that. So you don't need to grow an audience from scratch, but the audience already exists and you can reach them by doing this. So that's why it's actually good to go with a celebrity niche as well. So you can search for celebrity, you can go to top videos and top content, and then you find some clips that you like. So let's say for example this clip over here. Then once you find a good clip on TikTok from some celebrity, you just copy the link that takes people to that TikTok. So I'm gonna copy that link by pressing the copy link button right over here. Then you go over to Google, search for download to TikTok, and then open up snaptik.app, which is a TikTok downloader. You paste that link inside of this box and you click on download, and now you can download that clip to your computer. You can re-upload it to your YouTube channel as a YouTube Shorts, and then just credit the owner of the video. Literally just put their username in your video, and that's pretty much it. That's the entire process, and that's exactly how this person is doing it. As you can see, Dubai 2014 TikTok, and they just leave the username of the TikTok account. Here again, and here again. So this is exactly what they're doing to acquire hundreds of millions of views, which they can monetize and make hundreds of thousands of dollars. This is another example right over here. These guys are actually making over $100,000 a month from ad revenue because they also have long form content as well, where no one is showing their face. They're literally just paying someone to edit those videos, a flat rate, and they're making a lot of money in 3 different ways. Once again, affiliate marketing, ad revenue, and brand deals. And they're mixing this with shorts so they can actually grow a lot faster and also acquire brands and companies that are going to pay them a lot of money for sponsored posts and sponsored shoutouts and mentions in those videos. Now, I honestly think that celebrity gossip is a waste of time and it's a stupid way to spend your free time, but you see a lot of people are actually interested in this, so why not take advantage of that and make a lot of money by copying and pasting those YouTube Shorts. Now, as I promised you, for those who stick with me all the way until the end of this video, I will have a special gift that is going to allow you to make a lot more money with faceless YouTube automation, and that is going to be my absolutely free step-by-step training program, which I posted on this channel, which you can watch by clicking on the box that's on the screen right now. It's a full step-by-step YouTube automation training program, so go out there, watch it, and learn how to make money on YouTube without making videos.